Belgium, France, and Holland, our B-26 Marauders evaded flak and unloaded over enemy aerodromes. The brass hoped the weight of these bombs would force the Nazis to move their airfields inland. The plan, guided by General Sammy Anderson's boys, was succeeding. Over Germany, it was the same thing. These first 5 days changed the history of the air war, but it didn't end here. By March, we hit Berlin for the first time. The weight of our attacks increased and held down enemy plane production. As the bombs fell, we pressed our advantage, barreling in to force the Luftwaffe into combat. American fighters, without let-up, went after anything that could hurt us. This was no longer a prelude to invasion. This was invasion.
The point-blank offensive was the culmination of the strategic air war that airmen had long advocated. The strong shield of Hitler's fortress, the Luftwaffe, had been swept away. As General Eisenhower proudly said, "The air did everything we asked. They cleared the way for invasion." The Allies had attained freedom of the air with the combined long-range strategic bombing and tactical operations of the United States Air Force.